before you start your intervention, understand the context of your organisation in terms of the maturity and where the business is at. Really focus on whether it's going to be a holistic strategic approach, or you being a bit more specific around specific areas or operational hazards within your organisation. Having some sort of method to diagnose or assess the challenge that you have before you're jumping into solution mode, along with really building capability within your workforce to ensure that your leaders are empathetic, managing change effectively, and looking at the continuum from when things go wrong all the way through to driving prevention and promotion so organisations are thriving in an effective way.